Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your phone without the app. First, you need a reliable web browser, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Using a browser allows you to bypass the need for an installation, saving valuable storage on your device. This method ensures you can still join your friends in various experiences. Once you have your browser open, the next crucial step is enabling desktop site mode. Look for the browser's menu icon, often 3 dots or lines, usually in the top or bottom right corner. Select Request Desktop Site or Desktop Version from the options. This adjustment makes Roblox's website recognize your phone as a computer, allowing full access to games. Now, open your browser and type roblox.com into the address bar. Once on the home page, proceed to log into your account using your username and password. If you are new to Roblox, the site also offers an easy option to create a new account right there, taking only a few moments. This essential step connects you to the entire universe of Roblox experiences and games. You can now browse through the vast library of games directly on the website. Simply click on any game that interests you, then press the prominent green play button. Be aware that performance can vary, so consider playing lighter, less demanding games for the best results. Large, complex games might experience some frame rate drops on a mobile browser. This approach helps maintain an enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.